A lot of folks are going to be focusing on traveling today, and the weather is definitely going to impact a lot of drives.
Absolutely. We've seen some delays. We've seen some cancellation at the airports, and of course, people driving. There could be some traffic signals that are down, so you got to be aware of that today.
Yeah, I would say if there's anything in our favor, it's the fact that it is caught between the holidays and the fact that the winds or the worst of it is going to be delayed later on into the morning. Okay. So that's working in our favor. Let's talk about what's not working in our favor here. Walking you through what you need to know. First and foremost, the high wind warning. That's because damaging winds will be in the area just about all day. This morning and afternoon, I think that's when we'll have the strongest winds, and then they'll slowly relax deeper into the evening. But even though this is going to get all the attention, I want this to get some attention too. The snow squalls will be a possibility. These are intense, narrow bands of snow. They're almost like mini snowstorms or mini blizzards. Seem very random as they pop up. They can catch motorists or drivers off guard. So those will be in the area today as well, as temperatures crash back down to the 20s. And once we're there, that's where we're going to stay. Only one storm is doing all of this, and it's this area of low pressure still gaining strength as it lifts to the north and east. And that's why it's pulling all of this moisture off of the lake, and all of that snow is going to be here pretty soon. Already starting to see it move in. It's only going to pick up in coverage and intensity. Temperatures have already crashed down into the 20s, so I will add, if there's any leftover water from yesterday's rain, a flash freeze can occur anytime you get temperatures in the 20s like we're seeing right now. And how about these wind gusts? Once again, they will get stronger as it goes on. 41 in Detroit, but how about 45 in Ann Arbor, 45 in Adrian, but 51 miles per hour in Jackson. All of that's drifting in this direction, so if the winds are not that strong just yet, give it some time and they'll pick up. This is my thinking here. Later this morning into the afternoon, I think that's when the strongest winds really move on through. So we'll say between 11 and 3 p.m. Then after that, they should slowly relax, but hang on in the meantime. Those snow squalls too can cause some problems, so just be aware of those. Both of those elements are the key for today. After today, the weather calms down, but it doesn't get warmer. 26 will be your high temp on Tuesday, tracking another system that could bring some snow for New Year's Eve. So just keep that in mind too. 25 degrees will be the temp, crossing over into the new year with a cold note and more snow showers possible.
All right, Mike, thank you.